Hey there, April. Yes, next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Today we've got a kickboxing workout for you. Yeah, so get your dukes up. Now, here's the format. We're doing 2 sets of 2 exercises.
Okay.
Yes. And
Sounds
then
good.
right, and then we're going to do like combinations of those exercises.
Okay.
So we got you covered. Don't worry about it. Just follow along. All right. So, Mom, any thoughts?
No, is this coordination stuff?
It's total coordination. We're going to be doing a lot of footwork and a lot of upper body work in order to get that heart rate up, but in a different and fun way. All right.
Good.
So clear the area. Have any loose rugs, please take them down, secure them, get them out of the way, and have water handy. It's important to stay hydrated. All right, so take a pause and we'll get started with our warm-up. Okay, let's warm it up, shall we? All right, give me some weight shifting. Side to side, everyone. This is gonna basically be our basic kick move. All right, so just know that this kickboxing workout is kickboxing inspired. I've really simplified it, okay? All right, this is the basic move here, because we're gonna kick like that. That's what our kicks are gonna look like, okay?
That's Mom's kick.
That's right, that's right. Okay, but we also need to warm up that upper body, so give me some reaches here. Up and up, good. Up and up, give me across the body. These are like the punches here. Warm it up. Those shoulders, arms, and back, okay? And at the same time, you can see that I'm weight shifting here, so. That's what happens in boxing. There's a lot of weight shifting happening.
Yeah.
And this is really great for your balance, everyone. Okay? So keep it going. Good. All right, nice. Give me the mics, march it out. Okay, good job. All right, stop the feet. Give me some shoulder rolls to the back. Ah, yes. 2, good. 3 and 4, reverse it. 2, good. 3 and 4. Nice work on this warm-up. Take a pause and get started with our kickboxing routine. So our first move, boxing, we have staggered stance here, okay? So I've got my right foot in front of left, right? This is our target. All right, slight bend in the knees, everybody.
Right.
First set is just gonna be a jab to the front, cross with the left, okay? That's it. This is all it is. Jab and cross. Jab and cross. Keep it going, okay? Just like that. If you look at me from the side, I'm not gonna punch my mom in the head here.
Yeah.
You can see my leg pivoting. Okay, all right, keep it going. Yes, and pivot. Okay, nice, march it out. Okay, so our little rest periods here, just keep those feet moving, just like boxers, right? Yeah, boxers, yeah, keep you can even jump it around if you want. You know, they always keep moving around, keeping those feet moving.
Keep
right?
those feet moving.
Yeah, but you just give me some nice side steps here. All right, next move is basically, this is where our kicks come in. Remember that weight shift?
Yep.
All right, that's all we're doing.
Okay.
Weight shift, kick, kick. You don't have to. You don't want to.
I don't want to.
Just give me that kick. You just do, oh, Mom, look, I saw you. See that? This is great for balance. This is like single leg move.
Yeah, as long as you don't.
And I'll march it out. Great. Nice work, everybody. Okay, so we have to turn it over to the other side, right?
Oh.
Gotta get the other side going. So keep those feet moving.
Yep.
All right, demonstrate. Next move, we're doing that jab and the cross on this side, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it's jab and cross. Center. Jab and cross. Center. Jab and cross. Nice work. Jab, cross, breathe. Jab and cross, breathe. Whew. Nice work, looking good. Jab and cross, breathe. And cross. Very nice, okay. Real good work, everybody. Looking good. All right, what's our next move, Mom?
Sofa? Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm closest.
Just joking. Kick move.
That's right, so weight shifting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, if you're just here, this is great. No problem. You're with me, you can lift that leg up, kick it out.
Yeah.
Okay? Requires some balance and weight shifting here on that standing leg. But if you can't do that, just give me the toe taps like this. Okay? This is all good. Keep it going. Kick it and kick it. Kick it and kick it. Breathe. Okay, nice work. Okay, keep those feet moving.
Yeah.
Now, I'm gonna turn it to the side, other side, because we're gonna do a minute of the combo. Jab cross with the kick. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Actually, I want you to come back here so you can watch me, okay? You can watch me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go, Mom. We're gonna jab, cross, kick, and kick, right?
Yeah.
Jab, cross, kick, and kick. Yes, jab, cross, kick, and kick. Nice. Jab and cross. Breathe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Jab, cross, kick, and kick. Jab, cross, kick, and kick. Keep it going. Yes. I'm simplifying, but this is the point,
good.
everyone.
My brain cells are saying, oh, thank you. I like this one. This is good.
Yeah. Cross, give me a kick, give me a kick. Yes, jab, cross, few more seconds here. Jab, cross, and kick, and rest.
Ooh.
Nice work, everybody.
Oh, boy.
Woo. Okay, nice work on that first set. We're
Yeah.
going to go into a whole new set of exercises now.
Sounds
I'm going
good.
to switch sides again
I
so you
think
can
it's
watch me.
good to change.
All right. All right, so setting ourselves up again, right?
Yeah.
You got that left foot forward, right? Okay. All right, so we're gonna go jab, hook, center. Jab with this hook, comes around, yes, and center. Jab and the hook, and center, good. Jab and hook, breathe. Jab, hook, jab, hook, jab and hook, okay. Feet, good work.
Whew.
All right, you ready for the next lower body move?
I am.
Okay, this is what it is. You see boxers like ducking around all the time, right?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be duck, arms up, duck, arms up. It's basically a mini squat, everyone,
Oh,
right?
a
Here
mini
for 20.
toilet move.
Mini toilet move, that's right. Mini toilet move, okay? Now, if you wanted to really like ramp it up, you'd give me a little hop, but no,
wow.
don't have to do that, okay? You don't have to do it. Up and down, up and down, up, good, and up, good, and up. Nice work, okay?
Ooh.
Good job. Switch sides. Okay, good work. Same thing, right? Jab, hook, right? This is the
I
jab.
should be on the other side.
This is jab, hook, right? Jab, hook. Okay, so the jab, hook. Okay, keep
Oh,
going.
no, you're right.
Give me that hook. Always that lead leg is the jab. Okay, hook. I don't know about you, but I'm getting to everybody.
Yeah.
This is a good workout. And jab, and hook. Breathe. Jab, and hook. A few more seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Jab.
Anytime you move your arms.
And nice work. Okay, keep those feet moving. Okay, you know what's coming next.
Yep.
Duck, arms up.
Okay.
Okay? Duck, duck, goose.
Okay.
That's what that is. I was never good at that game, by the way.
Me neither.
I didn't
Hopscotch
like
was my
running
game.
around the circle like that. Okay, Doug, arms up. Okay, Doug, arms up. If you want to give me that hop, you can, but not essential. Up and up. Good. Doug.
Exercise ring
Up.
closed.
Oh,
Sorry.
Good job, Mom. Yeah, my mom's exercise ring clothes. Perfect. Awesome. Good for you. Gold stars for you. Okay, march it out and rest. Okay, we're gonna keep it here, and we're gonna do that jab hook, duck, arms up. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Keep it easy peasy for everybody.
Thank you.
This is the last. It's gonna be the last round. It's
Yeah,
gonna be
I'm getting dewy.
1 minute. Okay. So here we go. We are on. So jab, hook, duck, arms up. Right?
Yeah.
Jab. Good. Hook. Duck. Arms up. Yes. Jab. Give me that hook. Duck. Arms up. Yes. Jab. Hook. Duck. Arms up. Good. Jab. Give me that hook. Keep it going. Yes. Looking good. Yes. Hook. Up. Keep it going. Hook. Duck. Up. 20 more seconds. Give me some power here. Hook. Up. Some power. You're really in the ring here. Yes.
Muhammad Ali.
Yes. don't know if he was into kickboxing, but it was definitely the boxing mode. 2 more seconds. Hook and up. Woo. Nice work on this.
Oh boy.
Kickboxing inspired workout, everyone. Okay, give me some side steps. Oh yeah. Cool it down, everyone.
Yeah, really.
Nice work. You did great work challenging your coordination,
Boy.
your balance, and also awesome for your cardiovascular system. So congratulations. Thank you for hanging in with us here. So great job. All right. Stop the feet. Whew. Arms up and down. Whew. Arms up and down. Good job. And arms up and down. Good work. Give me a nice little hamstring reach up here and down. Opposite foot. Hamstring reach. Down. One more each side, everybody. So reach and up. Good work. One more. Reach and up and nice job. How you doing there?
Okay.
You a little stretch there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, excellent work on completing this kickboxing inspired workout. Thank you so much for joining us. We'd love to help you get stronger and get healthier. So if you like this video, give it a like, share a comment, share it with your friends. We so appreciate your support and it helps us reach even more friends around the world. So thank you so much. All right. We look forward to seeing you in a future workout. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.